172 species in genus Stellaria. My fascination with Stellaria, starwort. As a botanist, I've always been drawn to the subtle beauty and quiet resilience of the plant genus Stellaria. These delicate plants, often overlooked amidst showier blooms, possess a charm that captivates those who take the time to truly observe them. Known commonly as starworts or chickweeds, they belong to the Caryophyllaceae family, which also includes carnations and pinks. But unlike their flamboyant relatives, Stellaria species exude a simple elegance. Their small, star-shaped flowers a testament to the understated beauty of nature. My interest in Stellaria began in my childhood. I recall spending countless hours exploring the meadows and woodlands near my home, fascinated by the diversity of plant life that thrived there. Amongst the grasses and wildflowers, I often encountered patches of delicate white flowers, their petals so deeply cleft that they appeared to be 10 instead of 5. These, I later learned, were Stellaria plants, their star-like blooms giving rise to their common name. Over the years, my fascination with Stellaria has only deepened. I've come to appreciate not only their aesthetic appeal, but also their ecological importance and potential uses. Some species, like Stellaria media, common chickweed, are edible and have been used for centuries as a food source and in traditional medicine. Others, like Stellaria holostea, greater stitchwort, are important components of woodland ecosystems, providing food and habitat for various insects and animals. A diverse genus. The genus Stellaria is surprisingly diverse, encompassing around 170 species distributed across the globe. These plants exhibit a remarkable adaptability, thriving in a variety of habitats, from woodlands and meadows to mountains and coastal areas. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The importance of Stellaria. While often overlooked, Stellaria plants play a vital role in their respective ecosystems. They serve as a food source for various insects and animals, including caterpillars, birds, and small mammals. Their flowers provide nectar for pollinators, and their seeds help to disperse the plants to new areas. In addition to their ecological importance, Stellaria species have also been used by humans for centuries. Common chickweed, in particular, has a long history of use as a food source and herbal remedy. It is a good source of vitamins and minerals and can be eaten raw in salads or cooked as a pot herb. In traditional medicine, chickweed has been used to treat a variety of ailments, including skin irritations, respiratory problems, and digestive issues. Looking ahead, as a botanist, I believe that Stellaria plants deserve more attention and appreciation. They are not only beautiful and ecologically important, but also have the potential to provide us with food and medicine. I am excited to continue my research on this fascinating genus, exploring its diversity, ecological roles, and potential uses. I believe that Stellaria holds many secrets waiting to be uncovered, and I am eager to contribute to our understanding of these remarkable plants.